Welcome to our short video on the grant questions. You will see them within your workspace, and you can apply to the questions on all the ones that are not colored. So the build ones you can't do it. So the grey ones you can't do it. The green ones you can do, and the orange ones you'll be dealing with at the point. So we'll have a look at a grant which has a number of questions allocated to give you a good example. In fact, I go to my presentation one. So here we see the National Lottery one here. It's got 4 questions allocated to it. So if we build it, and on the right hand side we've got all the questions down here. So simply all you have to do, it will make sure that you've got your project listed here. It'll bring all the data from all these different aspects. So when it comes to answering the questions, it's got all of the data to answer the question with. So when you click on what would you like to do for your idea, and we know this is related to community-led program disadvantaged young people. So if we go to work on this question, we can go in here and we can get the answer. So this uses the idea is to establish community-led program. So it's got the whole of the detail here. So you've got enough material there to answer it. What we recommend is you can edit this as well. So edit to humanize it as much as you can, to make sure, or tailor it. You might have missed some bits out, and then you can save the answers. Once you save the answers, you're able to copy to the clipboard, and then you can paste it into your application later on, and then go through all of these questions as you come down. So anything with got a red, you still got to do these ones. So just answer these as you go down, and you have all of the answers to your questions for the grant. One last thing to mention, if you don't see questions available, so if we go back to my workspace, so some of these don't have questions allocated to them, so simply just go into here, even if they're offline, just put in there, say can you please add the questions for the Piling Trust, and then we can add them for you. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is that's fine. The other way to do it is while you're building, you can actually allocate it yourself. So you can go to the grant itself. There's no web for that one, so let's go to one that has got a website available. Back into my workspace. So for example this one, so you can go to the original grant. There's a link there. It will take you to the actual grant itself, and then you can pull the questions and add them here. So there's 2 ways there you can get the questions added.